What's happening, Luigi?
Anything to say?
What's going on, Luigi?
Luigi, it's me, Mario. Me, Mario.
Can't see him in the background.
Luigi, it's me, man.
Watch yourself.
Make sure you make room. Watch that ladder.
Stay off my property, guys. Come on now. I'll just make it up.
Marianne, can they please step back enough so we have room?
Yeah.
Just to make this much space.
Yeah.
I hate to have everybody's toes get.
Good work, team.
Fairly in custody?
I never got into that, and I won't get into that.
There was a request that you made, though, about informing the corrections department about something, and I didn't understand what you were asking. You were saying for the DA
I don't really. Oh no, I think all I asked was the sheriffs to keep my client around for a little bit so I could talk to him.
And what did you discuss?
Well, I'm not going to tell you that. You're
Your
kidding,
client-
right? You've been on this.
Sir, your client said something to reporters as he was walking in about this being an insult to the American people. Do you have any comment on that?
I have to take a look at that. No, I don't have any comment on that. I just know that, I haven't seen it, so I can't comment on something I haven't seen or heard.
Any comment on the outpouring of support there's been for him online?
No, I mean, people are entitled to their opinion, and like I said, if you're an American, you believe in the American criminal justice system, you have to presume him to be innocent, and none of us would want anything other than that if that were us in those shoes, and so I'm glad he has some support.
Mr.
A lot
Dickey,
of
you just said a moment ago that that's what lawyers do when telling their clients to be quiet. What did you mean by that?
Well, no, I mean, because I'm going to do all the talking, it's, you have the right to remain silent, and I believe in that right.
All right, and you are Thomas, T-H-O-M-A-S?
T-H-O-M-A-S, yes, middle initial M-D-I-C-K-U-R.
You still have plans to hold a press conference later today?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm sorry.
What's on the project case?
You know what? I haven't received anything. I got paperwork, and I want to meet with the district attorney, and we'll have hearings. We'll be able to see all that, but I haven't seen anything.
Are you, as a human being, aware of what happened in New York over the last week? And were you aware of this before you were retained?
I mean, I don't have a whole lot of time to follow the news. I, of course, knew of it, but I don't follow a lot of things sometimes in the news because sometimes the press gets things wrong. Like I said, I was very irritated, getting some backlash already that some news agency had indicated we waived the arraignment, we waived the extradition, and that's what irritates lawyers like me is if you're going to print it, get it right.
Do you find it surreal that you're now representing the guy they've been looking for?
Yeah, I don't know. No.
Is this the biggest case you've ever been on?
Yeah, they're all big. All my clients, whether it's a speeding ticket or whether it's a death penalty case, which I am qualified to do death penalty cases in Pennsylvania, so they're all big. All my clients are equally important to me.
Can you just explain to regular folk like what's going to happen, the timeline from now?
Yeah, like I said, probably something maybe in about the next month. Like I said, the judge set some motions, some deadlines, and they're going to have to come up with some things. We're going to have to come up with some things, and we're going to move forward with that. So, just kind of pay attention to that. And
Right. It seemed like on the bench you guys were sharing a little laugh. Like, have you formed a little friendip with him?
Sharing on the bench? What do you mean on the bench?
Like when you were sitting up there at the table, you were kind of have you formed a little
yeah,
friendship with him?
Yeah, I mean he's my client, and I want him to have trust and faith in me, and I have trust and faith in him, and yeah, I mean we're human beings, and we have a relationship.
Is he going to have a trust in the system?
Relationship.
Is he going to have a trust in the system?
Well, I'm trying to, that's why I talk about presumption of innocence, things like that. I'm hoping to instill that trust in the system with it. Again, I can't comment any further on that.
Do you have any concern about his health, mental health? Do you have to reach out to explain
I won't comment on that. That doesn't mean I do or I don't, but I just...
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, folks. Thank you. Nothing, just an attorney-client relationship. You know what I mean? And that's what we do. try to form a bond.
Your name again, one more time, sir.
Thomas, Thomas, middle initial M as in Mark, Dickey, Dickey.
And were you retained by them, or?
I've not court appointed. I was retained. That's all. That's all.
Are you local? Where are you coming from?
My main office is in Altoona.
And you have anything that you can share about your conversations with him, or state of mind, or anything?
No, I don't.
What do you have to say?
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Statement.
Pardon me?
Mr. Statement.
I didn't give a statement. Now you answer questions. I can't remember it.
Can you just, for those of us who couldn't go in there, sir, what happened today?
Well, what happened today is he could have. There was a extradition proceeding. We did not. NOT. Add that on there, okay? Because if you're reporting that earlier that we did, that did not happen. We did not waive extradition. We were contesting extradition. We were going to fight this along the rules and with the constitutional protections that my client has.